Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you around the Logitech X-230 speaker system, which is a 2.1 active sound system, which means you've got an amplifier inside which gives power to the speakers. Coming to the satellite speaker, we've got a turn on, turn off button, we've got a volume control and a headphone jack if you guys want to listen to music through headphones rather than use the speakers. Now the dimensions of the speakers, the height is 20.3 centimeters, the depth of 7.6 centimeters, and a width of 6.4 centimeters. Same again on the other satellite driver, but without the controls at the bottom. Coming to the subwoofer, the dimensions of the subwoofer is 23.5 centimeters, depth, height of 22.9 centimeters, and a width of 15.2 centimeters. Come to the back of the subwoofer. We've got a volume control to adjust how much space we want coming from it. The connector for the main satellite driver and the power cable. You've also got a 3.5 connector, which you connect to your computer or phone, wherever you want to get your music from, which goes to the back of the main satellite driver. As you guys can tell, the subwoofer box is ported. Now the frequency response is 40 Hz to 20 kHz, a total of 32 watts RMS, which is held by two 2-inch drivers on each satellite. And it has frequency direct dual drivers, which is technology which enables the problem of high frequency overlap that leads to uneven sound. You've got a 5.25 inch woofer, which is 20 watts RMS, and this sound system, or this speaker sorry, is only available in black. Priced for about £40 in the UK. Now let's check out what it sounds like.